We are covering how to solve linear equations and inequalities, a critical skill for the mathematics knowledge and arithmetic reasoning subtests of the AFOQT. On the math knowledge subtest, you'll see these problems presented as straightforward computations, while arithmetic reasoning will wrap them in word problems. You have roughly 53 seconds per question on math knowledge, so speed and accuracy are paramount. Let's start with a basic single-variable equation, like 4x plus 7 equals 23. The goal is to isolate the variable x. To do this, you reverse the order of operations. First, undo the addition by subtracting 7 from both sides, which gives you 4x equals 16. Then, undo the multiplication by dividing both sides by 4. This leaves you with x equals 4. The AFOQT will test your ability to perform these steps quickly and without calculation errors. For systems of two-variable equations, like x plus y equals 8 and 2x minus y equals 7, you have two primary methods: substitution and elimination. For substitution, you'd solve one equation for a variable. For instance, the first equation becomes y equals 8 minus x. Then, you substitute this expression into the second equation, 2x minus 8 minus x equals 7. This simplifies to 3x minus 8 equals 7. Then, 3x equals 15, and finally, x equals 5. Once you have x, plug it back into any equation to find y, which is 3. The key is to be methodical and keep your work organized on your scratch paper. Now, let's address inequalities, which are a favorite for exam creators because of one simple trap. You solve an inequality exactly like an equation, with one crucial exception. Whenever you multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, you must flip the inequality sign. Forgetting this rule is one of the most common mistakes test takers make under pressure. Consider the problem 10 minus 3x greater than 4. First, subtract 10 from both sides to get negative 3x greater than negative 6. Now, to isolate x, you must divide by negative 3. This is the critical moment. You must flip the greater than sign to a less than sign, resulting in x less than 2. The AFOQT loves to combine these steps into a problem like 3x plus 5 less than 2x minus 7. Your first move should be to get the variables on one side. Subtract 2x from both sides to get x plus 5 less than negative 7. Then isolate x by subtracting 5 from both sides, giving you the final answer, x less than negative 12. You should aim to solve this type of problem in under 30 seconds. A common trap is confusing the direction of the sign or making a simple sign error with the integers. To help you remember the most important inequality rule, use this phrase: when the signs get flipped, the sign gets flipped. This connects the action of multiplying or dividing by a negative with the consequence of flipping the inequality symbol. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.